Okay, the next lesson I'm going to talk about is lesson 1-9. We will be doing problems on this in class starting Wednesday. And I'm going to do several problems that we will be doing in class. Okay, the first one I want to talk about is standard form. The directions on the worksheet say, take these numbers and put them in standard form. Well, first we have to know what form they're originally in. And these are all in scientific notation. In order to change numbers from scientific notation to standard form, you could use your calculator, or there's a little trick. Look at number 5. We've got 6.10 times 10 to the 5th. Well, what I can do is write the number down here and look at the exponent. It has an exponent of 5. That means I'm going to move my decimal 5 places this direction. The reason I know I need to move it that direction is because it's a positive exponent. If it was a negative exponent, I would move it the other direction, but it's not. So I'm going to move it 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add zeros in those missing spots. And now my number becomes 610,000. Let's do one more like that. Let's do number 11. We've got 4.82 times 10 to the 4th. Now what's important, if you look at these numbers that are in scientific notation, is that to be in correct scientific notation, they're only going to have one number other than 0 in front of the decimal. See how every one of them have that? You could also have like 7 times 10 to the 8. That's in correct scientific form because the decimal is understood to be there. So they all have to have one number in front of that decimal that's not a 0. Okay, so let's go back to this one. We're going to change this scientific notation into standard form. So if I have 4.82 and I'm going to move it 4 places and it's a positive exponent, because it's positive, I know I've got to go this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I add 2 zeros and I get 48200, and always put your commas. That helps your teacher grade. And there you go.